Hello team, Chelsea's Tech 874. Continuation video out in Des Plaines for this furnace change. The humidifier, it is a bypass, and the copper line currently is tapped into this galvanized pipe. It is a saddle valve, and that copper or that galvanized pipe starts from there, and as far as I can tell, it goes to about here. So, wondering, plumber might be the way to go, and if I'm not mistaken, would it just be from there to there? So, homeowners not sure if they're going to do the humidifier just yet. It depends on how much extra this part would be, and I'm just kind of confirming that with you guys as well. Everything is pretty much galvanized. The only other thing I see is there's a copper pipe here. This was, I think, done by us recently, just a few months ago. I don't think we would be able to tap into this, but I don't know. That was just a thought. But yeah, so we might need a plumber here. Once we confirm it, we can see if we're going to add a humidifier to the job or not. For the time being, I'm bringing a humidifier to the job, just not charging them until we decide if we're going to do it. Okay? That's all I got for you. Chelsea's Tech 874 out.